Good morning. I hope you're having a great virtual day at home. We are going to get started with our calendar, and the first part of our calendar is days of the week. So get ready, we're going to sing our days of the week song.
Days of the week, 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 days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week.
Today is Wednesday. Everybody say Wednesday. Wednesday. Good. So since today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday. Good job. Wednesday, then Thursday. Very good. So remember, today is Wednesday. Okay, the next part of our calendar is our months of the year. Let's get ready to sing our months.
January, February, March and April, May and June and July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March and April, May and June and July, August, September, October, November, December.
All right, so what is our month? Our month is September. September. Great job. Now you're going to go to the next page so we can count our numbers.